Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make homemade donuts. Very delicious and with a few ingredients. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you haven't done so. So let's get started. I have here plain flour or all-purpose flour, milk, sugar, melted butter, eggs, yeast, salt, and nutmeg. In a mixing bowl, add plain flour, sugar, nutmeg, so I'll mix it and set it aside. In another bowl, add warm milk, melted unsalted butter, 2 medium eggs, salt, yeast, and I'll mix well to combine. Next, I'll add the butter mixture to the plain flour and I'll mix it well. And at this point, you can add more flour if it's sticky on your hand. Next, I'll grease the dough mat with some cooking oil. I'll now transfer the dough on it, and I'll knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's elastic. I'll also be leaving the ingredients in the description box below. And this is the texture you should be looking for. And once you are done kneading, beat the dough for a couple of times. Next, I'll grease mixing bowl with oil. I'll add the dough. I'll cover it and let it rest for an hour in a warm place. And after an hour, the dough has risen, so I'll set it aside. Next, I'll cut parchment paper into half and fold and cut into smaller square pieces. Next, on the flour surface, I'll transfer the dough and I'll gently knead it for a few seconds. I'll cut in half and set one aside. I'll be rolling it flat. And I'll be using dough cutter to cut in round shapes. And at this point, I'll be spreading the parchment paper, and I'll sprinkle some small amount of flour, and I'll transfer the donut onto them. And I'll keep the process until it's all done. And once it's all done, let it rest for another 30 to 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, this is how it's looking. Next, I've heated oil on a medium heat and fry each side for 2 minutes until it's golden brown. So you have to keep turning it to prevent it from burning. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe. So it's all done at this point. I'll remove them and set it aside to cool down. Now continue the process until it's all done. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you haven't done so. And thank you all for supporting my channel. And at this point, our donut it's nice and looking so delicious, and it's also smelling good. So as you can see, it's very soft, and just look at this, it's looking so soft, smelling good and very delicious. And I hope you will give this recipe a try. Trust me, you love this donuts. Very simple with few ingredients, homemade donuts. And once you are able to do your own donuts, you will never buy from outside again. It tastes really, really good, and my kids enjoyed it. And if you are enjoying this recipe at this point, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comments. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, have a blessed weekend. Bye.